PRGX Overpayment Prevention is accessed securely through a web browser and forms part of the Panoptic platform, which is used by clients to review and approve claims. Just next to the claims dashboard, I can click on this second tab to manage all the overpayment prevention efforts. The information you see on this screen is being driven by the continual load of new data, which can be fed into the platform daily, weekly, monthly, or any frequency in line with the client's process. With each data load comes a number of potential overpayments to review, leveraging PRGX's extensive experience in finding overpayments. I can see on the dashboard some key metrics such as how many overpayments we are finding, why they are occurring, and whether we are on track to review all the groups as they come in. Let's click on the 20 groups that are pending review to see what we can find. This page shows all the groups that are still pending review. I can see about 10 to 12 groups on screen at a time. Let's just look at this first group here to explain what we are seeing. There are 2 invoices in this group, and I can compare the properties of each one by looking across these columns. If the details on a column are different, then the background is pink. That way I can quickly spot any subtle differences between the invoices. Over on the left is the information relating to the group as a whole. The first column shows the probability of this group being an overpayment, and the grid is automatically sorted by this column. The score is generated by artificial intelligence and will keep improving as it learns more about your data and the decisions you make. Also, here on the left I can change the status of the group and select a root cause for reporting purposes and for training the AI. Let's now review this particular group. I can see that the 2 invoices share common properties such as supplier name, supplier number, and invoice amount. But the invoice numbers are marked in pink, meaning they are different. It's not obvious at first, but the only difference in the invoice numbers is that one has a 0 and one has the letter O. If I click on the supplier name, I can see all the invoices related to this supplier, not just the ones in the potential overpayment group. A quick check reveals an inconsistency in using O's and zeros, so surely this is a mistake. I will mark the group as an overpayment and select inconsistent invoice coding as the root cause. I will also mark this particular invoice as the problem and might take action in my ERP to stop this duplicate invoice being paid. As a second example, these 2 invoices look identical, but the probability is low because this is a repeating payment, which the AI has seen before and has been marked previously as not an overpayment. I can change the status for this group or select the other groups in bulk and take action all in one go. Once I am finished with my review, I can click Export and use the output file to update my ERP. User actions are captured for reporting purposes, and users are free to customize their grid in any way they like, including sorting, filtering, and an advanced search to effectively manage the potential overpayment groups.